Morning, everybody. Today is my last park ticket, and it's going to be over in Animal Kingdom. And luckily, although there won't be very much sunshine today, there is no rain in the forecast. So that means all 4 theme park days, no rain in Disney World, so I really lucked out. Gonna wait for the bus, we'll go head into the park. And yeah, they got a Christmas tree here too. Animal Kingdom.
Mic check, mic check. Have a good day, bud.
See what's better than Christmas, wild nature, and Disney. Hello, nature.
Yeah, they might be. Oh!
Gotta get my coffee. Got the tree behind me. Just gonna have to coordinate this right, because currently, right now, still, the Avatar Flight of Passage ride is 230 minutes, which is, what, 3.5 hours or so? Yeah, so still might not be able to do that, but I did get a fast pass for Navi River and Everest later. Might walk some trails later, but since we've just got some time to kill, let's check out It's Tough to Be a Bug. Oh, and on this little trail here, we got a really good view of the Tree of Life here in Animal Kingdom. I guess this movie and attraction is actually up inside the Tree of Life, but it's also a 3D show. So once again, I won't be able to share it with you, but I'll share the path over there. That was a cool 4D show. Let's go into Asia. It's not really cold, but it might be cold for Floridians. Yeah, the Kali River ride is nearby. And I think anything with a water is going to have like a 5-minute wait instead of 3.5 hours. I might just get that out of the way with the GoPro, though. We'll see. Check out these enormous lily pads down there. It's awesome. And they do have a little lounge that's right on the river also. Good for a little snack spot. All right, let's go cool off on Kali River Rapid. Should I be worried about all the raincoats? Have a good day. I'm actually not too wet. If it were cold, I'd be complaining. No big. And now it's time to go into Avatar Land. I love this land. Too bad I could not get a fast pass for Avatar Flight of Passage, but like I said, I don't think anybody's really waiting 3.5 to 4 hours in line. So since I did get my Navi River ride, let's go do that one. This is a cool ride too. Longu Lumpia. And a green grog ale. Am I gonna turn into an avatar now? All right, before we ride anything else today, I got a lunch reservation at the Yak and Yeti, one of my favorite restaurants here in Animal Kingdom. And then we'll be going on the Everest coaster later today. Oh yeah, air conditioned. All right. I actually didn't even know there was an upstairs. There's a lot of seating in this restaurant. Food and drink on the way. Oh man, look at that. See you in 30 minutes. Huh. Okay then. Bye, Buddha. Scrumptious good lunch. Got a little bit of time before my next fast pass, so let's go on this jungle trek through here, see if we can find any wild animals.
But they do eat insects and even some meat.
Oh, look at the one that's
In the
down
wild,
here.
they're called Indian giant squirrels.
Kind of.
They look a lot like a squirrel, but they're bigger and the coloring is weird.
How do you say your name? McAfee?
A cat.
So eventually we will see tigers in this tiger exhibit. Don't see them right now.
Not today.
Not today, no. Oh, this is really pretty through here. What a neat trail. Oh, getting ready to stretch. Yeah. Show some cow butt, or whatever it is, bull, oxen. I don't know. It's a water buffalo. Okay. There's that kitty lounging over there. Hey, kitty. Getting a little cat nap. All right, man. Sleep good, okay?
Yeah.
I bet. It's not big as a daddy. So, it's the mommy. Hey, I found the mommy.
May I help you?
There's something wrong with you. Really? You're wasting my time. I have to find my son.
Chico.
Nemo. Hello.
Well, hi.
Name's Bruce.
I'm Dory, and this is...
You don't need to know. Nobody. Really, I was just leaving. Dory!
He's Sherman 42, Wallaby Way, Sydney. He's Sherman 42, Wallaby Way, Sydney.
Sure it is. You're smiling. Look at the clownfish from the reef.
Finding Nemo was awesome. Now we're here in Africa. Time for our Kilimanjaro Safari. Say that right? Yeah. So we're going to go on this safari trip. I just want to warn you ahead of time, the buggy is really bouncy back and forth, and they don't stop at all. So it is going to be a little hard to capture the best still picture for you, but I'll share what I can on this. Try to see some wild animals out there. like I said, the trip's really cool. You can see a lot of animals. It's just really hard to capture, and I do apologize. I was trying my absolute best to keep the camera and my huge 300mm zoom lens stable, but may not have worked out. Sorry, guys. Try it for yourself. So let's go on this walking Gorilla Falls exploration trail now. There's some monkeys up there playing. Hey, little guys. There's no shortage of fish in Disney World. He's there. Perhaps the last ride before the sun sets. Let's go up on Everest. I definitely feel like I got everything I wanted to out of Animal Kingdom. Did a lot more new stuff. In 1 year, I will get to ride the other Avatar ride. But right now, dinner reservations at Tusker House. So it's another all-you-can-eat buffet, a little loud because it's also a character meet and greet area. Chicken, cornbread, corn dog, mashed potatoes, and my greens. I'm stuffed. And the park closes in about 15 minutes, so it's time to hop back on our bus system and go say hi to Jax. And this is how it all ends, in a laundry room in Disney World. No, it's good for me because I can get caught up with the laundry and before I head out of here. So. Convenient. Anyway, thanks for hanging around with me, guys. Time to get back on the road, Jax and I, and we'll head south, and I'll see you wherever we wind up. Good night, guys. Merry Christmas.